walked into the party, I seen some I never saw. Everybody was moving, grooving, girls, they were dancing on the bar. Now this wasn't no ordinary day.
Hello everyone, for today's video we have talking about the environmental awareness, because this month of November is the environmental awareness month, is to understand and on delicate the environment and the importance of protections to promoting. These are the easy way to become an environmental steward, to participating and corporate. This is the one of the reason to protect our environment. One of the causes on environment, this problem is to human activity. This is the most causes why are the environment is being abnormal, like a global warming and climate change. So we need to prevent this kind of activities to not become a worse. All we need to do is not cutting trees in the mountain, maintain proper disposal of garbage, and mostly plant many trees. So now we have to collect some of the garbage that is surrounding around my house. So let's go now. Also this one, these are the bottles. You know, just plastic. These are very dangerous. And this one. It's a rainy day now. We have done so collecting some of the garbage in my surrounding area, in my house. So let's us to put the proper waste disposal these kinds of garbage. So let's go now. And you can see it's a raining day now because of the panahon. Put here in the garbage area. So this so now we encourage you to follow the proper segregation of garbage. Remember, do not throw your garbage anywhere. To maintain that our environment is clean. So thank you very much.